Hey guys, Mark and Twine here. If you're looking at this video, you want to know how you can increase sales in your network marketing business. And real quick, why you should listen to me. I've been able to consistently hit the leaderboards for both leads and sales for going on about a year now. So I'm going to go ahead and start this off giving you the suggested model. Now this is going to be video one of a series I do on this subject. So just make sure you stay tuned. You're going to get a lot of value in this video, but I'm going to continue to give value on this channel here. Here's the suggested model. You're going to create online content that solves the problems of those you want to attract. Once you become a problem solver, that's when you'll see sales start to increase. You want to attract the right people to you, generate a lead, connect with the lead, determine the need. Attract the right people to you. Here's some things that you want to post. You want to post curiosity versus resistance. So that's going to be 90% personal and 10% about your business. So those are going to be imagery quotes, just quotes in general, positive lifestyle pictures, pictures of you eating, and random funny questions, some polls, and things like that. A curiosity post, here's a good example. This morning I ate a green smoothie with apples, oranges, mangoes, green powder, and almond milk. I had energy all day long. See, what you want people to do then at that point is say, what's that green powder? What is that green powder? And then once they do that, they'll show some curiosity, they'll show some interest in what you're doing. You get people talking, you start having a conversation with people, start building those relationships. So if you're in a weight loss company, here's some things that you don't want to do. Let's say you're in that kind of company. Hey guys, I want to lose some extra pounds? Click my link, learn more. Hey guys, I just started a new business. You can make money fast. Yeah, join my team. Whoa. Would you like to earn money by helping others like as yourself save money? Yeah, go ahead and inbox me now. You don't want to do those kind of things. You definitely want to separate yourself for what you see a lot of people doing. Just a lot of people don't know. Guys, I was completely there and I understand. But these are things that you don't want to do. So instead, here's what you want to do. You want to create content that's going to be valuable for that target audience. For example, 3 foods you can avoid to lose weight. You give them the 3 foods that they can avoid, and then you have a call to action. Say, if you want a full list or a PDF with 20 different foods to avoid, go ahead and click that link, or go ahead and send me a message. So you then show them a way that they can continue their education. You give them a little bit of value and show them a way that they can continue their education, and make sure they understand why they need that extra value, what they're going to get when they go and get that extra value from you. And if you're in a pet company, hey guys, I just saw an all natural flea and tick product for your pet. Click my link and purchase now. You know, people don't go on Facebook to buy. It's social media, it's not business media. Okay, same thing. How to make money fast. Click my link. It's one-time investment. Let's make money together. Team, team, team. Click my link. Yeah, you don't want to do that. Instead, you want to do this. Here's 3 healthier and natural ways to keep your pet disease free. So you give your intro, say, hey, my name is Mark Antoine from Savannah, Georgia. And then you get it. You might want to start with a question. Are we all looking to keep our pets healthier and disease and free? Okay. And then you want to get into the content and give 3 ways to keep your pet disease free naturally. And then at that point, have a call to action where they can get 7 more ways. Okay. All right, let's say you're in a travel company, same thing. You don't want to just tell people, hey, you like to travel? Click my link. You don't want to do that. Instead, do this. 3 ways to travel the world without breaking the bank. Then you could have the content, 3 tips about traveling, 10 more tips. They message you, tell them either send them to a link that has a capture page with a PDF, or tell them to send you a message on Facebook. Okay, if you're in a skin care company, same thing. Everybody wants to look beautiful. Everybody wants to have beautiful skin. See my smooth, silky skin? Want skin like this? Click my link. No, you don't want to do that. Okay, here's what you want to do. 3 chemicals to avoid to maintain and revitalize your look. And then you give him the 3 chemicals. Then he can reach out to you for 10. Okay. And the main thing with doing this is to separate yourself from the crowd. It's actually called differentiated marketing. And you want to talk about the benefits of what you're selling in a way that's educational around the benefits. Okay, people buy benefits, relief, and results. And the lazy approach is just to post pictures and just share your link, and you don't want to do that. So again, guys, I hope you guys got value from this. If you did, feel free to continue your education by clicking the link in the description. Go ahead and click that link, and I'll walk you through and hold your hand and show you how I'm able to generate 10 to 20 red hot leads a day. Some people even sign up into my business on autopilot. I want the same for you. Go ahead and click that link, and I'll show you where I no longer have to hunt down family and friends, blitz at the mall, and do those kind of things. Instead, become the hunted with some modern day marketing techniques. Go ahead and click that link. Again, I hope you guys got value from this, and I'll see you on the other side.